Woke up in a hive, ain't no regular diva. Swap my diamond rings for wings, oh you better believe her. Sipping on the nectar, no more lemonade mix. From queen of pop to queen of bees, I'm pulling new tricks. All the single bees, now put your wings up, buzzing information on a flower. Get your drink up, running this hive like how I used to run the stage. Honey's dripping sweet as I write another page. I'm Queen Beyonce, buzzing high on the throne. Swap my gold chains for honeycombs in this hive I call home. Beehive got real, now watch me lead. From bootylicious pop to the queen of the bee breed. Dancing through the petals, pollen pencil tight. Flowers bow down when they feel my flight. Irreplaceable was once the tune, now we save the bees under the sun and moon. All my worker ladies, now let's get in line. This ain't no crazy in love, but this new groove fine. We're building combs like I used to build the hits. From love on top to top of the crops, I'm the buzz that fits. I'm Queen Beyonce, ruling sky and land. No more red carpets, just feel so grand. Oh, beehive believe I'm loving this beast breed. From spotted sages to reigning as a bee queen. Oh, oh, got my wings flapping while the high's clapping. Survivor of the fame, now it's nature I'm mapping. Who runs the world? Bees, chant with glee. Power and stripes, pollinate, set free. So here I stay, in black and yellow grays. Queen Beyonce, forever ruling.